Hey everyone friends, today on the channel I'll show you how to fix error 0xc00007b in Windows. I've got two solutions for you. We can start with the command line. So type cmd in the start menu and enter sfcscanner. Probably without the slash. Yes. Aha, you need to run the console as administrator. Okay, let's go. So sfc scanner. Right, and so we run scanner, yes. That is sfc scanner with a slash. There, and the system check will start and it'll fix any issues. Alright, let's minimize that and we can try the second solution. Go to your browser and search for registry bootable C++. Yeah. We need the all-in-one package. Click download. Choose a server. Let's go with this one, the closest one. Open the zip file. There, and here we have install all, the bat file. There, we open it and click run. Click run. Wait, let me figure out why this happened, because I didn't extract it first. Right, so you need to extract the file first. Click extract all and then click extract. Now we run the process and it installs all the components, Visual Studio and everything, which usually fixes the problem. Click yes everywhere. I just don't have a capture card, so basically it asks for permissions everywhere and you click yes. There, and after this process completes, you can delete these two files and try running the program. Here I still need to wait for the verification to finish. Then you should try it too. Usually this helps. That's all. This has been me. See you all later.